Canada's labour market capped 2024 with some good news, showing growth in multiple sectors. Statistics Canada job report reveals that 91,000 jobs were added in December and that the unemployment rate fell down, beating expectations.
The unemployment rate also unexpectedly actually dropped back lower to 6.7% versus I think our expectation prior to the release was actually for it to increase to 6.9%.
The report states the country's employment rate rose for the first time since January 2023.
If you were to look at the full-time versus part-time split, it's pretty healthy, as in the majority, or 58,000, was actually coming from full-time employment.
The largest gains came from the education, transportation, and finance sectors, while the public sector added 40,000 jobs. Self-employment rose for the first time since February, up by 24,000. However, economists say there are some concerns for the future.
The Canadian economy looked like it was picking up some life at the end of 2024, but the uncertainties coming from the U.S., the new Trump administration, and even our own political uncertainties, as we don't know what's going to happen at the federal level. It'll be a while before we get a government in power. These are not encouraging signs. It'll probably be difficult to get private investment going in the first half of next year.
And although the labor market data is positive, economists say there are still many influencing factors, including the worker strike and slowing population growth.
Despite, again, a stronger report in December, we would say that the current labor market conditions in Canada, they're nowhere near resilient or strong. So if you were to look at, let's say, the number of unemployed workers, they were still over 20% above where they were a year ago in December of last year.
The report also highlighted decreasing wage growth, with average hourly wages only increasing 3.8% in December, the slowest we've seen since May 2022. In Toronto, Catalina Gillies, City News.